What? Are you going to do something with these?
I don't know. What's there to do?
Throw them out?
You're foul. You throw them out.
You threw them on the floor.
I did?
Yes, you did. I saw it myself.
Well, did anyone else see it?
There's no one else here.
No one except for the bird. Did you see who threw those wrappers?
Does it talk?
Shh. It's silent.
Not a chirp.
Nothing.
So what kind of bird is it anyways?
Oh, antidote.
I'm not an ornithologist. Just tell me what it is.
Oh, it's a budgie.
Budgie.
Yeah, it's short for budgie deer. Budgie to gear. It's short for something longer than budgie.
Ah. Well, so what did it say?
Well, it didn't say anything.
Thank God.
Nothing. Not even a faint peep.
Thank Christ.
So what should I do?
I want you to take these.
Well, where did they go?
Well, I don't know. Just take them. It's a peculiar thing. Where'd you get it?
Well, I found it. Is it yours? Of course it's mine. I found it, didn't I?
And if I found it before you, would it be mine?
Absolutely not. It is mine, and that is that.
Whatever. It just looks so lovely. A remarkable shade of blue. It's yellow.
Blue.
Yellow!
Blue.
Yellow!
Blue.
Yellow!
I'm green.
No! It's yellow! 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 Yellow!
Ah! Whatever!
So does it actually do anything?
It does plenty. Budgies are natural performers. They sing, they dance, they flap their wings, they masturbate, they talk. What? They talk. Well, they can talk. What I mean to say is that this
would talk.
Yeah, I wouldn't know. I haven't been listening. Well, it doesn't talk per se. It can mimic.
Like anything else.
Well, no, some of them are quite good, though. You can almost talk to them like they're people.
I didn't think they would be that bored. Do you think?
Do I think?
Well, I don't know. Do you?
Well, I'm not the right person to ask. I haven't spent a day of my life thinking that I know anything. Who's to say that I would know that I think? Even if I did think I know, or knew I thought. I mean, I thought I think, but I know that doesn't mean much. Sorry. Whoa.
The budget.
Oh, what about it?
Does it know?
What would it know?
Is it aware?
You're talking in riddles, Alan. What's your point?
We've established that it doesn't talk.
Right.
Now, is that because it can't talk? Or because it refuses? It's a frightening possibility, Alan. Whoa. Alan, now's not the time to start suspecting a pet bird. I wouldn't believe for a second that bird is a pet.
Alan, you honestly believe that the Budgie's trying to exact some sort of retribution?
Look at its eyes, Cliff.
Excuse me?
Its eyes. That's where the hate is. It's a bird. It doesn't feel hate. It's a budgie. It's different. Why don't you look? I can't. It's a bad omen. Omen?
It's not a raven, it's not even black! No blue, yellow! Hey, calm down! No blue, yellow, or any colored bird was ever an omen of anything, maybe a raven.
It listens. It sees, but it doesn't say anything.
Alan, what on earth is wrong with you?
It oppresses me.
Oppresses?
Can't you feel it, Cliff? Tell me you feel it.
You're going sideways, Alan.
You see in its eyes.
That... What's that matter?
Have you seen them?
I forgot.
You've forgotten. You forgot to see them?
No, I've forgotten whether I've seen them or not.
What's the difference?
I don't know.
I don't know, Alan. I just don't. Oh, just look and you'll see. I told you. The window! I told you, didn't I? It hates us. It can hate.
Well, we don't know that for sure.
We can't be too careful. Has it moved?
I don't know.
Has it moved?
I don't know.
Is it looking now?
I don't think so.
And its eyes? I told you.
I don't. No, don't you start forgetting things too.
This just gets worse and worse.
Okay. I'll look. Yeah, it's not there.
Wait! Calm down! How did you lose it?
Oh, must have gone out on its own!
It's lying lies. It's trying to subvert my brain. And my first. It wouldn't just leave. There's something to prove. It won't leave me alone.
Maybe it wants some fresh air! Or some food! Oh, but we don't know that for sure!
It listens. It listens, but it doesn't talk.
Well, maybe we can...
We'll have to find it first. Then I suppose we'll see. It's back! It's working.
Well, what's it doing here?
It's waiting.
Why is it here?
Is it? Alan? Alan, I see them. I see its eyes. And? I remember. I remember what I'd forgotten. Alan, we can't let it know. It's too late for that, Cliff. We can try, can't we?
We must try. It's all we have left, Alan.
You're right. You're right, we must try. It can't know. We can't let it.
Ha ha ha!